In a development related to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the late actor's sister Priyanka and Me Too have now filed a petition in the Bombay High Court demanding that the FIR filed by Rhea Chakrabarti against them be quashed. An FIR has been registered against Sushant's sisters Priyanka and Me Too on the basis of a complaint filed by Rhea on the 7th of September. रिया ने सुशांत के बहनों पर यह इल्जाम लगाया है कि उन्होंने बिना किसी डॉक्टर की सलाह लिए सुशांत की दवाई बदल दी और इन दवाइयों के लिए एक नकली प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी बनवाया. Rhea has alleged that a change of medication for his mental health condition could have worsened his condition, causing him to take an extreme step. रिया ने एक 6 पेज का स्टेटमेंट फाइल किया था which mentions that Sushant was unlawfully prescribed psychotropic substances at the behest of his sister Priyanka. She has also alleged that a change in his medication could have caused a worsening in his mental health condition, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने ये tragic कदम उठाया. अपने कंप्लेंट में रिया had demanded an FIR be registered against Priyanka Singh and Dr. Tarun Kumar under the provision of the IPC 1860, the Narcotics and Psychotropic Act 1985 and Telemedicine Practice Guidelines 2020. The FIR was registered by the Bandra Police and was transferred to the CBI. In response to Ria's complaint and allegations, Priyanka and Me Too Singh ने बॉम्बे के हाई कोर्ट में एक पिटीशन फाइल किया है seeking that the FIR against them be quashed. उनके वकील का कहना है that since the FIR was registered after a delay of 90 days, it should be set aside. Ria's lawyers have now asked for time to respond to this move by Sushant's sister और अब October 13th को इस केस की अगली सुनवाई होगी. इसके पहले रिया ने सुशांत की बहन पर उनके साथ बदतमीजी करने का इल्जाम भी लगाया था, which was denied by the family's lawyer. However, chat records showed that the relationship had become strained between Sushant and his sister for a while after this alleged incident. In a related development, Rhea Chakrabarti's legal team has issued a fresh statement ahead of the verdict on her bail plea. रिया के लॉयर्स ने सुशांत की फैमिली पे ये इल्जाम लगाया है कि वो इस केस की कार्रवाई में इंटरफेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They feel by questioning the AIIMS report and by encouraging a media trial, वो CBI को भी इन्फ्लुएंस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Ria's legal team has also alleged that Sushant's family is trying to pressurize the AIIMS panel to change its report in their favor. आखिर क्या है सच सुशांत की डिमाइस का? It seems that only the CBI may have the answers to this question that has gone unanswered for almost 4 months now.